$20.
Kelly. No.
Well, you said it sounds illegal.
I know.
Help.
Yeah.
Help.
Where am I? What country am I in? What skin type am I?
Welcome back, Leigh.
I am back, and I want to say a very quick thank you to my friend Kelly and all the Ubies. I've been off for a little bit because my beautiful mum passed away, and I was driving somewhere and I listened to the episode where you did a little intro to explain where I'd be, and I cried my eyes out.
Well, it felt very weird because we'd pre-recorded the episode.
Yeah, and I did refer to my mum in those episodes.
Exactly.
People
And
might
it
have
was
thought,
just like, it just felt too
Well, it was
discombobulated
lovely.
to
I've sobbed
not
so
mention
much.
it because all of the Ubies love you and they know
Well,
your mum.
that's
So,
what
through your stories.
Yes, and I've had so many beautiful DMs. I've just got to say the UB community is the best community.
They're lovely.
So thank you, and I'm back, and I'm ready to talk about wonderful things.
Because is this not a perfect example of beauty just being such a good distraction, making us happy?
Oh my gosh, if I had to do brain surgery or do something hard, I don't think I'd be back
absolutely not.
yet.
No, I know. No, absolutely not.
But today we have two wonderful dilemmas.
We
I'm really into
do.
both of them. So should we start with the first one, which is actually a beautiful audio message we got on Instagram?
Hi, you beauty. I've just got a really quick question. What minis would you recommend to take on a holiday for 2 weeks? I'm going overseas, so I just want something light to pack in my luggage. Not necessarily for carry-on luggage, but more for when I'm there, because I'm only there for 2 weeks and we're trying to really minimize our kilos so that we don't go overweight in our bags, because we're obviously taking a lot of stuff. So I've just wanted your recommendations for skincare that I take. I'm a combo girl with mature skin. I'm in my 40s and I'm very excited to go overseas, and I just want to maximize that. And also for makeup as well. I'm more of a minimalist girl, so I think I'll be okay for that, but maybe some foundation recommendations for a combo girl. And yeah, minis, because I need all the minis. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful week. I love your pod.
You are so right. This is one of your favorite topics and your favorite categories as the resident scientist decanter.
I love decanting products. So firstly, how exciting. Where are you going? I actually need to know where you're going. Firstly, because I'm nosy, but secondly, climate plays a big role. So, here in Australia, I guess Tassie gets pretty cold, but other than that, we don't really experience real cold.
We say that, but then every year without fail, we go, I forgot how cold it gets.
That's very true. But she could be going to somewhere it's like
Finland, yes.
She could be going to Finland. It's still like having crazy snowstorms halfway through America. Japan's very cold right now. I don't know where you're going. So let's just...
Bali, also very different. Very humid.
Totally.
Don't need much.
Right? Give us more context. But anyway, I'm very excited for you. So I love a mini, and I'm going to give some mini
I love
options
that our listener was looking for advice on what to shop, and Leigh's like, don't bother shopping.
Don't buy anything new.
Decant.
I love decanting things. So that's basically just putting things from their big packaging to their little packaging. You can go to Kmart or jump on Amazon and get little sort of bottles, or Diaso.
I was about to say Leigh's favourite store, which she introduced me to recently.
It's opposite Mamamia. They're everywhere. They're like a little Japanese discount store. But my favourite Aussie brand is called Somi, and it's literally like a decanting kit system. So you get this box, and then when you order online, you can choose how many bottles, how many tubs, and then it fits together like a puzzle all in this box, so you don't waste any air or space in your luggage.
And it's just...
it's
you
so
curate how you want it designed as well.
Correct.
So you choose exactly what you want. So you would look at your own kit and say, all right, I've got a moisturizer, a cleanser, and then you choose
a bottle, a tub. Yes, exactly. Or you can buy them individually, I think. Anyway, there's different
Yes, I need to look
systems.
into that actually, because I've lost one somehow.
Oh, that's annoying.
And I don't want the puzzle piece missed.
No, you can't.
So I need to purchase one.
I don't pack mine like that, but I love them. I use them for my vitamins. They're just kind of a really chic, beigey plastic, but good plastic, because I said to them, can I put my vitamins in it? Because you know how your vitamins come with that little food safe.
And they come in glass generally.
Yes, and she said totally fine. So that's really good. But fine. You want to buy some mini. Oh, but we're not decanting our sunscreen. So if you're going anywhere, you're taking your sunscreen in its normal packaging, please.
You can buy mini sunscreens, which will fit easily, or just purchase them overseas as well.
Yeah.
Always good to try new things.
That's true, particularly for body. For face, I would just take my regular size. It's not like she's wearing a backpack.
She might be.
Well,
She's going to Bali like me.
No, but she says it's not necessarily for carrying
I'm joking.
on. I mean, I don't know. I need these details. But let's talk minis because I also love minis. What I would pack is also the same as what you use. I mean, unless you have a 17-step skincare system, I wouldn't mess with what works if you kind of just got 3 or 4 steps. But these are things that I love for travel because they're minis, but also my skin likes them when I'm traveling. The Alpha H Melting Moment Cleansing Balm. That comes in a little mini. It's $19.95. And I find a cleansing balm just feels really good, particularly off a long flight or just off a flight when you feel really gungy and gross. If you go to a humid climate, great to get your sunscreen and just all that humidity off. And if you're going to a dry climate, kind of nourishing as a cleanser.
You can also sort of use it and massage it into your skin for a really nice facial.
Yes, and a bit of radiance. I love the Summer Fridays. This is relatively new. The Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Cream Moisturizer. Because you say you're combo, I'm also combo, but it's quite a nourishing gel cream / it's called gel / cream. The mini is $28. That's amazing. Another option that I just think is really, well, actually all of these options are great if you do just want to try a product or a brand, but you don't want to commit to the full size. The Ordinary Discovery mini set. I think there's 5 products. Guess how much it is? I actually better double check this. It sounds illegal, but guess.
$20.
Kelly. No.
Well, you said it sounds illegal.
I know. Sorry, there's 6 products in it. $47.40.
I feel like you could buy 5 full-sized.
6
products. Okay.
Okay. Well, I thought that was great.
No, it is great, but I feel like given that products are $10,
one's
you could
50 mil, one's 100 mil, and then 15, 15.
Okay.
Like that's pretty. That's just like, guys, if you want to try the Ordinary.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sorry, I thought you meant they were minis.
One more that's not skincare, but you just need it. Everyone needs it. It's the Bumble and Bumble Pret Powder Mini. You get it from Mecca. It's $28. It's like a little tiny tube, and inside is dry shampoo / volumizer. I cannot fly without it because your hair gets limp and gross, and obviously it's not an aerosol. It will last you like 6 months, 9 months. They're so good that if I'm going anywhere, I have that with me. I mean, I have it in my handbag now. And then quickly on makeup, you say, why not? This is kind of a second question, by the way. She's kind of like, okay, maybe some foundation recommendations for a combination girl. 2 I'm loving at the moment is because I'm again combination Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. That's really like it just feels like a second skin, long wearing but not drying, because I find as a combo person, if I err too much on either side, like my dry bits are really dry. So it's quite hard to find the balance. Another really good one, don't let the name fool you because it's not so hydrating that combo girls can't use it, but you would love it too. I wonder if you know it. The Morphe Lightform Extended Hydration Foundation.
No, I haven't tried it.
So the extended part means long wear.
Yeah.
But the hydration means not drying. So it's kind of that, wow, you were talking about one we recorded not too long ago that was kind of full coverage and dewy and long wearing. So this one's medium coverage and dewy and long wearing, but not too greasy. And then I bought Show and Tell for one I'm back into, as you can see.
Ah.
I always go back to this.
It is so good.
It's so good. It's the Chi Chi Super CC Cream with caviar extract. I got mine at Maya. This is a great one for travel because it's thick and you can get really good coverage. It's good under the eyes. It doesn't crease, but you can also just apply less or shear it out with a serum and you get kind of a wash. Like I would almost always take this or the It Cosmetics CC Cream traveling because it's flexy. Your turn, my friend.
Well, I agree with you that you can just decant, apart from sunscreen, what you've already got. And I always just like buying either mini products of things that I love or I always save my products from Christmas with advent calendars or little discovery kits. I will always just save them and I actually keep them in a big bag in like my little travel section.
I've got mine in a shoebox.
That then I'll hunt through before I'm packing to go anywhere to decide what I need. And you know what I was thinking? Literally as I was like walking here with my headphones on, like, well, having a think about this.
And carrying your warm hair straightener, you said.
Yes, that's a story for another day. But I was carrying a very warm hair straightener. But I was like, this is one of the problems with shopping at Mecca or Sephora is that we don't shop at particular stores anymore, because I'm thinking about back in the day when I was working at L'Occitane and we offered GWPs or gift with purchase if you spent, say, $100, or then a purchase with purchase. Say you could buy this for $20 if you'd spent $100, but it was worth, say, $60. Then you always got little minis to try different things. You don't get them for free the way that we once did.
No, but a lot of the counters in your Myers or your DJs do.
So that's why it's best sometimes to actually go and to the counters or to go in store.
Yes.
And see what they've got.
Go to a counter and just say, look, I'm interested in this product. Do you have a sample? Because you might be, you know.
Yeah, a sachet is not going to cut it though, is it? Unless they give you a fair few, which actually sometimes they will. Or if you wanted to try something, you can always ask for a sample. Yeah. Have a look at the mini section.
I was going to say you could take a bunch of sachets, but then your skin might just go, I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, help. Where
am I? What country am I in? What skin type am I?
The one that does strike out to me though, that you didn't touch on because she's a combo girl, the new Paula's Choice, you know how they do the BHA sachets.
How did I forget that?
They are just so, I don't even use that product that often anymore, but I will take those away with me because regardless if it's cold or hot, they are so good at refreshing your skin just even once.
Yeah. And you might, if you're going, she's going for 2 weeks, once or twice. Another thing I just thought of, those little Elizabeth Arden capsules that we love. They're a tiny little capsule inside. You've either got your retinol or your hyaluronic acid or whatever your
peptides
active ingredient is. And you literally just pack as many as you need. So it's like packing some little vitamins, but you don't swallow them. You just screw off the little tadpole tail and pop your one application of serum on.
Yes.
They're good for the flight.
They are biodegradable as well, so you're not wasting.
Yes. I'm dying to know where you're going. Please let us know where, let us know if you have a good time, but also depending on where you're going, buy stuff there.
Yes.
Like
it's
if
such
you're
a
going
good chance
overseas
to shop for 2 weeks.
Yeah, unless you're going to like the most deserted island, but even then I can generally find something to buy in the gift shop.
There's always a pharmacy as well.
Always a pharmacy. Have the best time.